Let me show you how to calculate wise transfer fees. If you're trying to send payments or money to some other people, whether they have or don't have a wise account, you do not need to manually calculate. Everything is automatically calculated inside of the wise platform. So if you head over to the send section, you can select the currency that you're trying to send and what the recipient is gonna get. So for example, if you're trying to send in US dollars and the recipient is going to get in the British pound, you can add in the total amount that you're trying to send, and it's going to show you the total currency that the recipient is going to receive. Now, in order to look at the fees on the bottom, you can see the option called total fees. Now, depending upon the type of payment method, the fees are going to differ. You can see a section called paying with. If you tap on change, you can sort from cheapest or quickest. So if you want the cheapest and the quickest option, the best option is going to be the connected bank accounts, which is the AHC option. So if you tap on the AHC option, it's going to show you the total fees on the right hand side. As I said, it is going to differ if you choose a different option, such as a debit card option, the total fees are going to change. If you tap on it, you can also take a look at the breakdown and also look at the comparison between Wise and other bank accounts. So that's the way that you calculate the Wise transfer fees. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.